Hello friends, welcome all of you in my channel SNT Power Vision. In this video we'll learn about the class 10th RS Agarwal real numbers chapter name and exercise 1b here. In the first question we have to find the given SCF and LCM of the two number here. So let's start here. So first two number is the 36 and 84 here. So we'll take one by one. So we'll divide 36 2 square into 3 square. After that next is the 84. Please don't expect me that I will divide one by one number here. So 84 equal to 2 square into 3 to the power 1 into 7 here. Now we talk about SCF equal to, you see, here suppose you have taken 2 here. In the 36 it is 2 square. In the 84 2 square here. So we'll take the one time only 2 square. Now if we see in the 36 it is 3 square, in the 84 it is 3 to the power 1 only. So we'll take the lowest one. After that in the 36 there is no 7 and in the 84 7. So we'll not take the number 7 here. So SCF equal 2 square into 3 equal to 12 here. Now if we talk about the LCM here, as I said, in the LCM we'll take the highest one. Say here in 36 is 2 square, 84 2 square. So we'll take the 2 square. After that, in the 36 it is 3 square, in the 84 it is 3 to the power 1. So we'll take the 3 square. After that, in the 36 there is no 7, but in 84 7 is present. So we'll take the 7 here. So answer is 252. So this is the LCM here. Now next question is the for 23 and 31. If we talk about 23 and 31, both are the prime number here. So here SCF will be 1 here. But if we talk about LCM, so we have to LCM is equal to 23 into 31 is equal to 713 here. Now next is the 96 and 404. So we'll see. 96 equal to 2 to the power 5 into 3. After that 404 equal to 2 square into 101. I think 101 is not divisible by any of the number. So here SCF is equal to, as I said, for SCF, for any prime number we have to take the lower one here. Here in this case 96 is equal to 2 to the power 5 into 3, and for 404 it 2 to the power is 2 square into 101. So we'll take the 2 square. After that, since 3 3 have the exponential value 1 and 101 there is no common factor, so we will not take any one here. So answer is 4 here. But if we talk about LCM, LCM will take the highest value like 2 to the power 5 into 3 into 101 equal to 9696 here. So this is the LCM here. Now next question is the 144 and 198 here. 144 is equal to, as I said, it is 2 into 3 square. After that 198 equal to 2 into 3 square into 11. Now SCF is equal to, as I said, for SCF we have to take the lowest one here. In the 144 it is 2 to the power 4, and in the 198 it is 2 only. So we'll take the 2, and the 3 square is common in both, so we'll take the 3 square. So answer is 18 here. Now if we talk about LCM, we'll take the 2 to the power 4, and that is the highest one. After that 3 square into 11. Answer is 1584. Now next question is the 396 and 1080. So 396 is equal to 2 square into 3 square into 11. After that 1080 equal to 2 cube into 3 cube into 5. So SCF is equal to, as I said, we have to take the lower one. So 2 square into 3 square 3 cube. So we'll take the 3 square. 11 and 5 will not take because both are not common in any of the things. So we'll take 2 into 2 square into 3 square, answer is 36 here. And LCM equal to, as I said, we have to take the highest one. So 2 cube into 3 cube into 11 into 5 here. So answer is 11880 here. So next question is about 1152 and 1664. 1152 is equal to, here SCF equal to 2 to the power 7 equal to 2 into 2 into 2, it's 128. We talk about LCM equal to 2 to the power 7 into 3 square into 13 is equal to 149076. This is the LCM of 1152 and 1664 here. So we'll move to the next question. That is the, again we have to find the SCF and LCM of two, means three different number here. So we'll see how it will work. So first question is 8, 9 and 25 here. So we'll see 8 is equal to 2 cube. 9 is equal to 3 square. After that 25 is equal to 5 square. So if we talk about SCF here, if we see here none of the factor is common in all the three number, so SCF will be 1 here. If we talk about LCM equal to, so it will be 2 cube into 3 square into 5 square. So answer will be 1800. Next question, we have to find the SCF and LCM of 12, 15 and 21 here. So we'll divide 12 is equal to 2 square into 3 and 15 equal to 3 into 5. After that 21 is equal to 3 into 7. If we see here SCF, so we have to take the common factor. If you see here common factor is 3 here, so SCF is 3. If we talk about LCM is equal to, so we'll take the 2 square, that after 3 is common in all the 3, After that 5 into 7 equal to 520. After we have to take the 17, next number is 17, 23 and 29. If we take here SCF, since all the three are prime numbers, so SCF is 1 here. And LCM is equal to 17 into 23 and 29 here. So we have to multiply and get the answer here. I am not going to multiply here. In the fourth question, we have to find the SCF and LCM of 24, 36 and 40 here. So we'll see here. That is 24 is equal to 2 cube into 3. 36 equal to 2 square into 3 square. After that 40 is equal to 2 cube into 5. So SCF equal to, since here power of 2 is the, in 24 it is 2 cube, 36 it is 2 square, in 40 it is 2 cube. So we'll take the lowest one, that is 2 square. After that 3 is not present in 40, so we'll not take. After 5 is not present in the 24 and 36, we will not take. So SCF is 2 square is equal to 4 here. Now talk about LCM. We will take the highest, like 2 cube, 2 square, 2 cube. So we will take the 2 cube into, then power of 3 highest in the factor of 36. So we will take the 3 square. After that 5. So 8 9 ja 72 into 360. That is the LCM. Now next we have to take 30, 72 and 432. So we'll see here. That is the fifth question. That is 30 is equal to 2 into 3 into 5. After that 72, 2 cube into 3 square. After 432 is equal to 2 4 into 3 cube. SCF is equal to 2 into 3 into 5, 2 cube, 2 4. So 2 in 30 it is 2 time only, 2 only one time, so we'll take 2 into, then 3 in 30 it is only one time, so we'll take the 3. 5 is not present in 72 or 432, so SCF is equal to 6. Now LCM equal to, we'll take the highest power of 2, that is 2 4 multiplied by 3 cube into 5, that is 2160. Then sixth question, that is 21, 28, 36 and 45. So we'll take 21 equal to 3 into 7. After that 28 is equal to 2 square into 7. 36 is equal to 2 square into 3 square. 44, 45 is equal to 3 square into 5. Now we'll take SCF is equal to, if we see here 2 is not present in 21, 41, 45 factor, so we'll not take. Same way 3 is not present in the factor of 28, so we'll not take here. 7 is not present in 36 and 45, so we'll not take here. 5 is not present in 21, 28, 36, so we cannot take any number. So SCF is equal to 1. Now LCM is equal to 2 square. After that 3 square, 5 into 7 is equal to 1260. So that is the LCM here. So by watching the solution of 1 and 2, I hope you learn about how to find the SCF and LCM of two given number. Two given number or more than two number only. So now we'll move to the third questions.